Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell by my attire, this is a Christmas special, so I'm super pumped to bring you guys this series of videos. So what it's going to be is 12 videos talking about this Holly Dozen Advent Calendar from LimeLife, which is 12 mini products in this amazing little box. Who isn't obsessed with Advent calendars? I love them. So we're going to talk about one product a day. I'm going to give you guys the lowdown on the product, give you guys my tip, and then I'm going to share with you guys a different lip color every day. So then I will reveal at the end of this video and at the end of each video what Enduring Liquid lip color that I am wearing from LimeLife. So if you guys are interested in unboxing this little bad boy with me, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so first of all, I just want to talk about and show you guys the cover. This all comes with like hand illustrated art on the cover. It's so beautiful. And then just the size of it, a good, nice, heavy-duty quality box, and the signature black LimeLife bow. Love them. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It has 12 windows in it with 12 mini LimeLife products. So it's amazing for anyone who's ever wanted to try a bunch of products from LimeLife or just to gift to someone who loves makeup and skincare. If you have a teen daughter or something like that, I would have died to have this. So our first window is, drumroll, mini Sotox. Okay, this is one of my favorite products, you guys. If you have not heard of the Sotox, it is one of the boosters. So I am first going to give you guys the deets, the quick deets on this product, and then I'm going to tell you guys why I love it, and then we'll talk about my lip color. So it says on the website, this ultra effective serum uses natural ingredients, because everything from LimeLife is natural and organic ingredients, to reduce dark spots, lift sagging skin, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. The moisturizing base also works to hydrate and rebalance your dry skin. Use alone or in combination with our moisturizers and facial oils as part of your daily routine. So this is an anti-aging serum that looks more, it's more like a lotion kind of consistency, and I love it. And so what I love it for, and what I love it for my customers and clients, is that you pick your favorite moisturizer, whether you like an oil, if you have oily skin and you need an oily skin moisturizer, you have super dry skin, you need a dry skin moisturizer, and you use that, and then you add 1 or 2 pumps of your Sotox in with it, and then you have your own customized moisturizer, anti-aging serum for your face morning and night. Love it. So that's why you call it a booster, because you can just add this little booster to your everyday moisturizer, and it is 0.5 fluid ounces. And then once this is done, you guys can unscrew the whole thing, refill it out of your big bottle. Comes in a size like this, so then you can add a few pumps to this, take it, and this is all certified for carry-on for airlines, so you can have this as your travel stuff or camping or whatever you like to do. So that's awesome. These are refill reusable bottles. So the lip color that I'm wearing today, what do you guys think of it? It is bold, but it is Christmas, and so I was really excited to wear this because everybody has Christmas parties and outings and events and stuff like that to go to, and what a better time to wear a bold red lip. If you are a newbie to the red lip, I understand the fear, because I used to be there. Use Christmas as an excuse and as your like gateway to red and dark lipsticks. So this one is a warmer base. It's kind of like an orangey red, and I really love it, and it's called Candy Apple. If you guys are not familiar with the Enduring lip colors, it is LimeLife's liquid lipstick, and they are non-drying, but they are matte. If you do have dry lips though, because it is winter, I would highly suggest doing some sort of a lip scrub and exfoliating, because any matte lipstick that you use will kind of accentuate it. So I would definitely suggest, if you love liquid lipsticks or matte lipsticks, to always hydrate and exfoliate your lips prior to using one of these. I love them because they dry on your lips and don't smudge on your teeth once they're dry. So that was our little day one video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you guys see the rest of the 11 videos. And then at the end, I'm going to do a little surprise unboxing of what is in my Lime Life little Santa bag. So I hope you guys can tune in for the rest of those videos, and I will see you in the next one. See you guys.